In Module 1 of this course, we are going to talk about how to format a screenplay that meets industry standard. Formatting a screenplay means following a set of established guidelines when writing your script. These guidelines helps you to write a production-ready script that readers, directors, or anyone reading your script can easily understand. If you know the basics of screenplay formatting, your ideas will be communicated clearly and professionally in your script. Why is having a good knowledge of formatting so important? It's important because your script will be turned into a movie, and making a movie involves a lot of people. These people will be using your script as a blueprint to make the movie. So it's very important that your script is clear and easy for them to understand. That is why you need to have a good knowledge of formatting. The people who will work with your script already know and understand these formatting guidelines. If your script is consistent in its format, it will be easily understood and interpreted by everyone. Having a strong knowledge of screenplay formatting and structure will help you to arrange your scripts professionally using fewer words. It will also make your script easy to read and work with. To become a screenwriter, you must master the structure, formatting, and how to tell a story visually.